All right, making my way out to the backyard track. This is definitely the best way to carry your Losi DBXLE 2.0. Just throw it right on your back and just, I don't know, what do they call? Hoof it out to the backyard track. So we did manicure that track just a little bit. Now I've got to get this beast like off of my shoulder because it takes like 2 arms and yeah, one of them's holding the camera. So anyways, if you want to watch this episode from RC Guy Garage, we're going to see how the DBXL-E 2.0 can manage portions of the backyard track at RC Guy Garage. So just hold tight and let's get this thing off of my back here. Yeah. So, DBXL-E 2.0. I mean, would you just look at it? I mean, just look at it. Look at that DBXL-E 2.0 from Losi. The thing is an absolute monster. That's what the nickname is of my Losi DBXLE 2.0. Literally called the Monster. Monster is down. We did kind of groom the track very slightly. These are what are called pushovers. So it's literally just me. You know that my jump used to actually be way up there now. Effectively, we've taken this jump, and I want to say we've moved this 8 to 10 feet away from its original location. And it is much, much bigger. There's a reason why it's bigger, because we're going to have to see if the backyard track can actually support these larger scales and, you know, Outcast, Creighton EXB, XMAXX, and yes, the DBXLE 2.0. Like I said, if you're interested in watching this episode from RC Guy Garage, watch the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. Do it right now so you don't forget. You know what I mean? Share the video. You know, that's pretty important. Tells YouTube that, you know, RC Guy Garage is actually okay. So let's just rip it. We're going to turn on the switch, which are going to give a series of beeps. Have a listen. What do you hear? Is that 8S? So the only thing that I may have to do is just a little bit of steering trim. Oh yeah, good job. Yep. Yeah. Ooh, almost had that tree. Almost tagged that tree. Another tree. Ah. Oh, that's the only thing. Hit a jump wrong, just learning it, just learning where it is, and yeah, that was a no bueno. Alright, something disconnected. Seemed like a battery disconnected. You know what? We are using Dean's plugs, so I can guarantee we got a Dean's plug disconnection. Just the way it goes. Probably have, like I said, probably have the old Dean's plug disconnection. Alright. Let's see, what do we got? No. No Dean's plug disconnection. What happened? Oh, he did. So this Dean's plug. So that Dean's plug right there got disconnected from some of the slams. But look at all the dirt that's in this. I think we need to evacuate this dirt out of here. All right. Yeah, that's a little bit of dirt there. Holy smokes. Yeah, a little bit of dirt. That's a little better. All right. I think I'm going to take the middle strap and I'm going to middle strap this conductor. That way we're not going to have it come loose. Probably a good idea. All right. All right, come on. This is the only thing about this. Where these straps go in here definitely make it difficult. All right, well, I'm gonna shut this off. Shut off the GoPro. Shut off this camera for now. We'll shut off this camera for now because it's facing the wrong way anyway. All right, so this is where we are. We basically just took the middle straps and strapped down both of the wires because we're running an exaggerated amount of wiring. I definitely don't like using 2 adapters just to get this to work, but that's the way it is. And yeah, I pretty much think that this jump right here, is actually going to work absolutely mint for a couple of ARRMAs. Well, you know, like the ARRMA Outcasters. So yeah, if you're not a part of that group, you might want to consider joining. It's on Facebook, RC Guy Garage, ARRMA Outcasters. Basically all the moderators from Facebook RC Guy Garage, all those moderators actually bought ARRMA Outcast 8S's. And I think that's like literally unprecedented. Every single one of them. ARRMA, are you listening? All right, we'll try it again. Boy, that's a lot of beeps, huh? There we got GoPro on. Now see, you know what's funny is that now I have to be like in a totally different location. This is weird. Uh-oh, FedEx again. I've been in your walls. Every once in a while, you just gotta watch the dogs just to make sure. I think they're doing just fine. All right, keep ripping it. I think this jump is going to work out pretty mint. Yeah, I think so. One thing I know I have to do, now, I'm just going to stop this right here. One thing I point blank know that I have to do, I'm definitely going to have to figure out the balance of these tires because I'm definitely not liking that massive out of balance. I don't know if my foam's a junk, I have no idea, but this thing is ripping it. I'm going to take a different line. It's one way or the other. Oh, man. Yeah, we're definitely going to need all of this jump. Tree. Ah, we did it again. Stupid. Dean's battery connectors are absolute garbage. So, yeah. Stupid connector. obviously fell off again. Let's see what we got here. Somewhere it fell off. Or is it melting? Oh, it's melting. Alright. Well, everything else is actually pretty mint. So, our connector is literally overheating. Yeah. So the connector cannot support, basically cannot support actually the amount of fuel that is now pumping through the system. So you already know what that means. So today, that piece of garbage right there, piece of garbage is out of here. Literally ejected. Because, yeah, because of DBXLE 2.0 ripping it in the backyard track. And man, I'm telling you, yeah. So anyways, if you like this episode from RC Guy Garage, you point blank, you already know what to do. So just get to what? 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 Do you even know what I'm talking about? Do you have any clue whatsoever? Guy, I know. Just get to ripping it. So just get out there. What do they call this? They usually call this, I think, the walk of shame. So, yeah, it's very shameful that I have to walk this damn thing back to the house like this. I think my Galvy fix is holding up pretty damn good.